This is a short tutorial about optimizing your videos before you upload them to YouTube or wherever you're going to upload them. You can do the same as you do with images. You come to the video you want to edit, right-click, come down and select Properties, and then over to Details, and you can give them 5 stars. You want to use a keyword as the title and give it a subtitle. So your subtitle might be secondary keywords or your location, anything that pertains to your project. And tags, whatever tags relate to your project. Comments, you could upload the transcript of the video, or you could upload a document that relates to your project. You can edit the date. Oh, okay, you can add all sorts of other information down here if it's of value. If you want to give credit to the artist, the year, the genre, you can also put your latitude and longitude in here if you want to geotag it. And when you're finished, just click Apply and OK. And you need to do this before you upload the video to wherever you're going to be housing it. And that wraps up this tutorial.